loyal nigga. Now what happened to our little nigga? They got on him with a Chinese caterer and turned his car into a cheese grater. How long ago did this happen? About an hour and a half ago. Where did they take you to? Queen of the Valley Hospital. What did the perpetrators look like? A bunch of mop heads. Mop heads? Yeah, some niggas with some dreads. Who told you that's this broad? How the fuck she know? She saw it? Nah, I ain't one to gossip, but I'ma keep it solid. I think she why he got it. Now, the fact ain't been proven, but I think that nigga was goosing. Who? The perpetrator, my nigga. I think that nigga was goosing too. Well, where the broad at? She cut, she probably gone for days. She was in the car with him, but she didn't get hit. She only got a graze. A graze? You mean to tell me that bitch only got a flesh wound and our nigga up in there brain dead, laying up in the ICU room? Was these some clown niggas or some reputable really get down niggas? Where them niggas from? What side of town? I'ma split they crown, nigga. Don't even look over there. Act like we ain't tripping. The next few days, partner came up missing. Don't even look over there. Act like we ain't tripping. The next few days, partner came up missing. The art of storytelling. 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 What you think we ought to do? We gotta outthink them niggas. See a take a fool to catch a fool. Anybody got any pictures? Go to their MySpace page. Bet you one of them right. I can almost guarantee you'll find a flick with the rest of them in the bag. Ever since I received the disturbing news, ever since I ain't been sober, we gotta react right now, my nigga. We can't wait for the shit to blow over. Well, I've been doing a little bit of homework, and I know this broad to know his cousin, and his cousin know this dude. He on Belushi, and he mixing that shit with the pay. And dude be around the way. And it just so happened he know where the nigga that pulled the trigger stay like. His head at, be hiding his yola and keeping his fucking bread at. His bread at, his broccoli, his okra, his greens, his guns, and lead at. Let them know that we got muscle. Let them know that we ain't weak. Let's hit all these spots at once. Come through there every day for a week. In the middle of a damn drought, pucking them niggas out. 7.62s and 223s, showing them what we about. Don't even look over there. Act like we ain't tripping. The next few days, partner came up missing. Don't even look over there. Act like we ain't tripping. The next few days, partner came up missing. The art of storytelling. 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 The art of storytelling.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this Mac Russ, man. With that nigga 40 water, man. Real nigga, man. Yeah, I grew up with the nigga, man.